step-by-step guide on how you can add someone to your Sam's Club membership. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide. First, you have to log into your Sam's Club account. You can do this on the website or use the app. You'll just sign in with your membership credentials. The second step will be accessing the membership information. So once you've logged in, you want to click on your profile icon in the top right of the screen, and then you select My Account and then choose Membership. Add a household member, complimentary. So in the membership section, you should see an option for add a household member. You want to enter the name and the email address of the person you want to add. Once they accept the invitation, it will be sent by email. They will have access to the benefits of the membership. And there's also add-on members. If you want to add someone beyond your household, for example, an additional family member or friend, you can purchase add-on memberships. You will look for the add-ons option under the membership section. You will be prompted to enter the name and email of the individual you want to add, and an additional fee will be charged for each add-on. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.